Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a gadget that's not just smart, it could literally save your life. We're diving into a hilarious but seriously helpful review of the SuitableReviews Portable Carbon Monoxide Detector. Whether you travel a lot, cook like Gordon Ramsay, or just breathe air, hopefully safely, this little device is something you need to hear about. Stick around. You're going to laugh, learn, and maybe even panic just a little. Let's go. This portable carbon monoxide detector might just save your life. Let's face it, you pack your bags, book the perfect hotel, finally escape the madness of your daily life, and boom. You realize you forgot one important travel. Buddy, a portable carbon monoxide detector. Yes, the tiny hero you never knew you needed until your Airbnb has the same ventilation system as a potato sack. Enter the SuitableReviews battery-powered portable carbon monoxide detector. A name so fancy. Sounds like a new galaxy, but trust us. It's down to earth and downright life-saving. With a sleek modern design, digital display, and the ability to scream louder than your smoke alarm when it detects danger, this little gadget is basically the Beyoncé of CO alarms. The product link is in the description and in the comments section. Why you need it. Carbon monoxide is like that shady friend who shows up uninvited and ruins your party without saying a word. Odorless, colorless, and tasteless like your uncle's cooking, it sneaks up on you and can be deadly. Whether you're cooking up a storm in your kitchen, road tripping with your dog, or just trying to survive hotel air conditioning, this portable carbon monoxide detector has your back. It fits in your palm. Dimensions 2.56 x 2.56 x 114, and runs on batteries. No plugs, no drama. Just pop it in your bag and go. It's like having a tiny bodyguard that only cares about gas leaks. Please subscribe to the channel. So, why this one? Look, there are tons of CO detectors on Amazon. Some beep randomly, some give you more false alarms than your ex gave red flags. But the SuitableReviews portable CO detector? It's made with durable ABS material, uses accurate electrochemical sensors, and works in just about any humidity, 10% to 95%. It even withstands heat up to 50 degrees C, so it won't melt in your steamy kitchen or during your dramatic cooking experiments. The product link is in the description and in the comments section. It's portable, it's accurate, and it doesn't cost an arm and a leg. Plus, it tells you what's happening on a digital screen. You don't have to guess if it's beeping because of danger or because it's just bored. Why you'll laugh all the way to safety. Let's be honest, nobody wants to buy safety equipment. It's not glamorous, but this detector is like the superhero sidekick you never knew you needed. It won't fly or shoot lasers, but it will give you peace of mind, whether you're at home, work, or pretending to be camping in your van with Wi-Fi and oat milk lattes. Please subscribe to the channel. Final thoughts, buy it. Seriously, whether you're traveling, cooking, or just breathing, the SuitableReviews portable carbon monoxide detector is the tiny white box that could save your life, or at the very least, your vacation. If you found this helpful, or if you laughed even once, hit that like button. Subscribe for more fun and useful gadget reviews, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a life-saving laugh. Drop your questions or weird CO alarm stories in the comments below. And as always, stay safe, stay smart, and stay gassy. Wait, no, the opposite of that. See you in the next video.